Today's video will walk you through the complete process of setting up a V2Ray slow DNS server on the ZiVPN app using the UDP custom website. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to support our work. All right, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the address bar, type UDP custom and press enter. From the search results, open the official UDP custom website. This is where we'll create our V2Ray slow DNS server. Once the website opens, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top corner. Tap it, and from the options that appear, select V2Ray slow DNS server. You'll be redirected to the setup page where you can choose your preferred server location. After selecting your server location, you'll move to the account creation section. Enter your username, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and then tap Create Now. Within a few seconds, your new server will be generated, and the V2Ray VMS configuration details will appear on the screen. Copy these details and keep them saved. We'll use them soon in the ZiVPN app. Next, it's time to configure the ZiVPN app. Head to the Google Play Store, search for ZiVPN, and tap on the official app from the results. Press Install, and once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Inside the ZiVPN interface, enable the V2Ray checkbox to activate V2Ray support. Then, tap the Settings icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose V2Ray. On the next screen, tap the plus icon at the top. This will allow you to import the configuration details you copied from the UDP custom website. Once your server information has been added successfully, return to the main screen and press Start to connect. You're now online using your V2Ray VMS slow DNS server through ZiVPN, ensuring a secure and stable browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.